delete methods in crude repository. Delete methods in crude repository. How many methods are there? How many delete methods are there? Oh,
Recording in progress.
yes. Code repository. How many delete methods we are having, guys? 3 methods we are having, if I am not wrong. Yes, guys. First one, delete by ID. Next, delete with entity object. Come on. Next, delete all by ID. Delete all, delete all. Okay, total 5 methods they have given, guys. Right, let me copy one by one. Copy this. Done. Next, delete with entity object. Okay, delete by taking all IDs, multiple IDs. Next, delete by taking entity objects. Here IDs, guys, here entity objects. Okay. Next, we are having delete all. Total 5 methods are there doing 3 activities. Deleting by ID. Okay, deleting by ID only, but takes object. From the object, it uses ID. Okay, it is also IDs directly list of IDs it will take. It will take list of objects. From those objects, again, ID values will be used as the criteria values. And this is delete all. Okay, guys. So let us take one by one, boss. Delete by ID. Achha, anyone faced this problem so far? I faced today one interesting problem. First 2-3 times I have given wrong password to enter into Zoom. Later I have given correct password and it is still showing wrong password. Anyone faced this problem so far, guys? Now hangama happened, boss. Now I got admin login details through. As an admin, I logged in today. You observe today, my login name is not just Naresh team is there. Did you observe that? Yeah, it's a bug in Zoom, boss. It's a really bug in Zoom. Yeah, today my login name is different. Check it out. It's a Naresh IT team. Huh? Today I logged in as Naresh IT team. Okay. Fine. Now let it be, guys. Why did delete by ID? Okay. Deleting ID by deleting record by ID value, by the given ID value. Yeah, Zoom is paying 20 lakh rupees for such kind of bugs. Huh? Then I will send bug. Definitely I send bug. Okay. Public why delete by ID. ID value is this. Now let's see. File, close all the things, guys. Close all the things. Then come to what? No, all these are ready-made methods. Service class, service IMPL. Tell me what is the method? Public. Public. I want to return a string message. Here itself, I want to return a string message, right? Okay, string. Remove vaccine by ID. Long ID. Remove action by ID, long ID. Okay, now here is my implementation class, guys. Here is my implementation class. It is Spring Data JPA supplied method. Supplied method. Yeah, remove action by ID, guys. Remove action by ID. Now listen, here I am going to do one thing great. It's different. Okay, I want to return string. Basic return type of this method is what? Void. So we cannot send a message whether it deleted or not based on the delete method. Based on delete methods, can we send any message back to end user whether record is deleted or not? No, we cannot. So what should I do then? So we should do some verification manually, guys. Okay. Now listen, first I will try to get the object by ID. Optional T, optional T, what is that? What is our entity class, guys? Corona vaccine. Optional T, Corona vaccine, OPT is equal to, OPT is equal to, OPT is equal to Corona report dot, Corona report dot, find by ID, ID. Find by ID. Now tell me, OPT dot is present if it is available. If it is available, now tell me what is that? OPT dot is present. OPT dot is present. Now tell me here what is that? Corona report dot, because all these things I want to write a message. Corona report dot delete by ID. Delete by ID value. Your ID value is there now, boss? Yes. Okay. ID value. Then what is the message? Here is the return message. Okay. Tell me, guys. Record deleted having ID plus ID. Else. Else. Return. Record not found for deletion. Not found for deletion. That's it, guys. Record not found for deletion. Yes. This is runner, boss. Comment this, guys. Okay. Try, guys. Come on, next one. Next one. Sys out. Sys out. 1 minute. Let me keep this SQL runner ready, boss. Tell me. Record. Directly I'll call service dot remove action by ID. Remove action by ID. What is the ID? I think 22 we are having. 22L we are having already. Come on. Okay, guys. Now tell me here. Data access exception. Data access exception. DAE. DAE dot print stack trace. Done. Okay. Data access exception done. Control F11. Oh, this is data access exception. Now, fine. Yeah, record deleted having 22, boss. Okay. Now you give this, you run the same application second time. You run the same application second time, guys. Record not found for deletion. That means record is deleted earlier or not. That means record is deleted earlier or not. I hope you got it. Okay. So example code. Example code. In service IMPL class. Yeah. See guys, here this lower bracket is optional. Actually, technically speaking, this else block also optional. Why? If not satisfied, anyhow this line executes, right? It's up to you. Fine, that's not about issue. Copy this, boss. In service IMPL class. In service IMPL class. In client application. In service IMPL class in client application. Next one, guys. What is this? Delete entity. Copy this, paste it. What is this? Public void T entity, boss. Public void T entity. Same thing, boss. Okay. Deletes the record. Deletes the record by taking given entity objects ID value. It is sunJPA. What is that? sunJPA method. sunJPA specific method. It is not Spring Data supplied. Okay. sunJPA specific method. Okay. Implemented in actually JPA method. Okay. I'm to give more clarity. I'm saying it is a sunJPA. If you are confused, just leave it. JPA specific method implemented in Spring Data JPA. What I'm trying to say is this method is even there in JPA specification. This method is even there in JPA specification. In Hibernate also we have a delete method taking object only. If you notice that. We have a delete method taking object. Did you notice that, boss? Yeah, that method I'm talking. Okay. Implemented in Spring Data JPA. Okay. Now let's have a look, guys. Remove vaccine by object. Here, what is that object, guys? Corona vaccine. Corona vaccine, guys. Next. Implement this method, boss. Implement this method. Okay. Here what? Here. I want to directly call delete. But if I call directly delete, can I get whether object is deleted or not? No. So can I create a message? Can I create a message? Record deleted or not deleted? I'm looking for that. Then how to get the objects? Okay, already object is there, but I want to check whether object is available or not. We'll go for what? Optional T. I think everyone understood this. Fine. Optional T, optional corona vaccine. OPT is equal to, come on, corona repo dot find by ID vaccine dot what dot vaccine dot get registration number. I hope you understood this statement, guys. Okay. If OPT dot if OPT dot present is present, if it is available, now tell me what is the message? Corona repo dot delete entity. What is entity? Vaccine. Cool, guys. Then what is the message, guys? What is the message here? Message. Record deleted having ID. Record deleted having ID. Which ID? Vaccine dot get registration number. Else, okay, this time let me write a message. Record not found for deletion. Yeah, what is the difference? Earlier it has taken ID, now this time it is taking object. But, okay, while calling method, now tell me, by object, here you have to pass object only. Here you have to pass object. Is there any is there any constructor taking only is there any constructor is taking only registration number as the argument value in the entity class, guys? In the entity class, no, not there, because at the rate non-null is kept on other properties. At the rate non-null is kept on other properties, right? So we are going to get parameterized constructor on other properties, not on ID property, right? Okay. So let it be. Let's not spoil the environment for others. So here what I do is corona vaccine is equal to new corona vaccine of. Okay, corona vaccine is equal to new corona vaccine of. Okay, what is that? Vaccine dot set registration number 23. 23L. Here is my what? Vaccine. Here is my what, guys? Vaccine. Control F11. Yes, it's saying record deleted, boss. Did you notice that? It's simply saying record deleted. Are you getting my point there or not there? Okay. Okay. When not there, now let's run the same application second time. Control F11. Yes. Record not found for deletion. Are you getting my point? Record not found for deletion. Is that clear, boss? Fine, boss. Right? Example code. Example code. In service IMPL class. Line number 77. Line number 70. Array, I'm passing object now, boss. 77. If present only, we are accessing number. If not present, we are not accessing number. Rajesh Magar, can you use your common sense? Line number 77. If present, delete. And in this object, already number is there. Don't forget that. In this object, this is a local variable, right? This is a local variable. In this local variable object date, still ID values will be there till the end of the method. Should I teach Java method basics to you? Come on, guys. Okay. In service IMPL class. In service IMPL class. In client application. This is in client application. Super boss. Next, I will try this. You try on your own. Come on. Yasminan, it's purely based on ID. Yasminan, if you want to have other criteria, you have to wait until I introduce JPA, JPAQL, and other things are there. Okay. JPAQL. As of now, all these are there. All delete operations are happening, update operations are happening. Okay, based on ID value as a criteria value. You want other than ID value as a criteria value, you have to wait until I introduce JPQL, native SQL. Fine. Okay, we have other options. Okay, these are like Hibernate single row operation methods, boss. Okay, delete all by ID. I will try this. Okay, you have to implement this one on your own, and last one also I'll try. Last one also I will try to demonstrate. What is the next one, guys? Delete all by ID. Performs bulk deletion based on the given multiple ID values. Performs bulk deletion based on the given multiple ID values. That's it. It is Spring Data JPA method. It is direct method of. It's a direct method of Spring Data JPA method. Okay, let me give clarity, guys. Now listen. JPA is a specification, right? JPA is a specification. JPA is a specification. This contains rules and guidelines, right? Implementing these rules and guidelines, there are multiple ORM frameworks. There are multiple ORM frameworks. What is that? Hibernate. Okay, guys. Next, iBetis. Next. Okay. OJB. Okay, let me give top link, etc., etc. Okay, guys. Now listen carefully. Array, these Hibernate iBetis top link must have JPA specification methods. But on the top, they can have their own methods also now. On the top of it, they can have their own methods also. Array, course content is there. Okay, faculty must teach that, but on the top of it, it is personal interest. He can teach his own content also, right? The same thing here also, boss. Same concept here. No, I cannot say they are not the native method. They are the direct methods. Okay, they are the direct methods, guys. Now listen. Using in Hibernate internally, we have Spring ORM. Okay. Using Spring ORM internally, we are having what? Spring Data JPA. Spring Data JPA. Now listen, here what it contains: common methods plus specific methods. Common plus HB specific methods. Common plus HB specific methods. Okay. Common plus Spring ORM specific methods. Common plus Spring ORM specific methods. Next, come on, guys. Common plus Spring Data JPA specific method. Specific methods. I think now you are getting clarity, guys. Here, common methods will be there. Here, common methods will be there. And delete all by ID is the Spring Data JPA direct method. Spring Data JPA direct method. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Okay, fine. So it's a direct method of Spring Data JPA. It's a direct method of Spring Data JPA. Okay. Nice, boss. Now come here. Go to this place. Remove actions by IDs. Long IDs, iterable IDs. Okay. Iterable long IDs. Iterable long IDs. Now tell me, guys. Iterable long IDs. Yes, boss. Now tell me. Okay. Here, how we cannot check whether those IDs are there or not there. Whether those IDs are there or not there. Because having some IDs records may be there, having some IDs record may not be there. I hope you are understanding my point there. Chandan Shende, abstraction come. Abstraction, Chandan, abstraction come, direct methods will be there. On Jeep, abstraction anyhow will be there, direction. Along with abstraction, direct methods also will be there. What is there in that? Since direct methods are there, how can you say abstraction is not there, guys? Okay, guys. Iterable long IDs, guys. Iterable long IDs. Now we have a method find all by IDs. Find all by IDs. But the problem is find all by IDs. We have method find all by ID. But what's the problem in that method, guys? Suppose 10 IDs I have given, 2-3 IDs are not there. Then also it returns what? Then also it returns what? List of entity objects. List of entity objects. So based on that, we cannot really say records found or records not found. Are you getting my point, guys? Based on that, we cannot really say records found or records not found. But somehow I can create that situation. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Because we want to display the confirmation message, guys. Corona vaccine, iterable corona vaccine. What is this? List entities. List entities is equal to. List entities is equal to. No. Array, if you go for while loop, you have to delete one by one record. So then bulk deletion is not possible. Now tell me, Corona repo dot find all by ID IDs. Find all by ID IDs. Okay. Now listen. Okay. If list entities dot size, list entities dot size. Acha, here those methods are not there. Fine. Not equal to null. What is that? Not equal to null. Okay, fine, boss. Now tell me here, what is this? Corona repo dot return type is void here. That's the problem. Corona repo dot delete all by ID. Here also I am passing IDs. Delete all by IDs. Okay. Now listen. List entities. Yeah. Now how to tell how many records are deleted or not deleted? Okay. Now listen. Return statement asked for asked for asked for asked for I want to get the size of this. I want to say I want to get the size of this. Are you understanding my point, guys? Come on. Okay, we have this one. Then we got what? IDs dot. There is no, listen carefully. IDs dot for each is there, but I just want to have a count. I want to have a size. So we have to go for conversion. How to conversion, guys? Arrays dot as a list of IDs dot size. Asked for deletion. Asked for these many records deletion. Okay. And array, how many IDs are there? Those many entities will come or not? How many IDs are there? Those many entities will come or not? Come on. Arrays dot as list list entities dot size and number records are deleted. I think this is interesting message or not? Though return type is void, I am trying something out of it, right? Asked for these many records deletion, proper message, and these many records are deleted. I hope. Okay, boss. Now tell me, when I will get this null? When I will get this one null? Okay. Null and 1 minute. Arrays dot as list. Arrays dot as list. List entities dot size greater than 0. Greater than 0. Are you understanding my point? Okay. If both conditions are matched, then this. Otherwise, no records found for delete. No records found. I'll check both conditions. No records found. That's cool, guys. Now tell me here, comment this. Yeah, Samrat, you can take a list also, not a issue. Here, what is the method? Sysout service dot. Tell me, guys, remove IDs. Remove IDs. Okay. 24L, 25L, 23L, 22L, 22L. Okay, but directly you cannot pass like this, guys. Come on. How can you pass that? Here, list dot off. You can pass list dot off. You can pass it as list dot off. That's fine. I think 22, 23 is already deleted. 24, 25 left, if I am not wrong. 24, 25 left, if I am not wrong. Tables, guys. Corona vaccine, guys. Here is my data, boss. Oh, 24, 25 there, 22, 23 already deleted. That's good. So now let's see what happens. Control F11. Control F11. Oh, if any ID is not there, it is throwing exception. It's very bad, boss. If any ID is not there, it is throwing exception. Okay. If Corona access with entity is not available. Not available. Not available. Okay. So it is throwing exception if any certain entity is not available, guys. Select operation is done. I asked for 23, 1 minute. I asked for 23, 23 is not there. Okay. 23 is not there. No, it's not giving exception, boss. It's not giving exception with the find by ID, sorry. It's giving exception through what? Delete by IDs only. How can you say that? See, 4 select queries are happily generated, boss. 4 select queries are what? Happily generated. Did you notice that? Okay. 4 select queries are happily generated. All right. Okay. So it's throwing exception if certain ID is not there. But that's very bad, na boss. That's very bad. That's very bad. Okay. Now we thought some behavior and it is having some other behavior. Yeah. Then what should I do? Okay. Oh. No. What should I do? What should I do? Here we cannot use optional. There is no optional object to check, boss. Yes. Okay. What we do is, if all IDs are there, then only I will delete. Arrays dot. arrays dot as list. Come on, guys. Arrays dot as list. Come on, come on. Arrays dot as list. List entities. List entities. Come on, guys. List entity dot size is equal to tell me, arrays dot as list, IDs id dot size. If both size is matching, boss, if both size is matching, then delete it. Okay, so now what is this? Then delete it. And delete it. Here, what is this? Okay. Arrays dot as list. Come on, guys. Arrays dot as list. IDs dot length. IDs dot length. IDs dot size. Fine. IDs dot size. Number of records are deleted. Deleted. If not matching. If not matching. Okay, here what I want to have. Problem in. Come on, guys. Deleting record. Problem in deleting records. That's fine. Now, actually, I want to have message. See. Okay, guys. Now tell me here. DAE dot. Here also I will write a message, guys. What is the message? Sysout. Problem in deleting records. Okay. Problem in deleting records. Okay, now here, observe here, 2322L. Okay, control F9. Control F9, guys. See, exception is expected. That's why problem in deleting records has come now. I thought it is using in class, guys, but it is not using in class. It is executing multiple individual. Okay, it is trying to execute multiple individual delete queries. I hope you are understanding my point. Okay, it is not using in class. In the delete query, it is not using in class. Okay, it is trying to delete each and every individual record. Okay, this is the one thing. So now I will give all available 21L in the table. What else is there, guys? 21L is there. 21, 24, 25, 26. Achha, 1 is also there. I will pass 1L. Let me check this use case. 1L. Done. All available numbers are given, boss. All available numbers are given. Control F11. Okay, guys. Control F11. One number of records are deleted. One number of records are deleted. How come? Because in our IDs, so many IDs are passed now, boss. Arrays dot as list of. Okay, 1 minute. Let's check. Refresh here. All records got deleted here, boss. All records are deleted or not? Come on, boss. But why that count has come like that? Let me check. List of this. No, guys. One number of records. No. It is trying to delete each and every record individually, boss. Are you noticing it? It is trying to delete each and every record individually. I hope you are understanding my point, guys. Okay. 24L, 25L not deleted earlier. No, not deleted earlier. Raja, you are not observing properly. 24, 25L not deleted earlier, boss. Before execution, I have shown this one. Okay. And moreover, observe how many delete queries have come. Right. No, it is not bulk deletion. Listen. It is not bulk deletion having where clause. It is executing. Are you getting my point? It's executing delete query one by one. It executing multiple delete queries as a batch. Executing multiple delete queries as a batch. Are you listening my point? No need of taking loop. It is internally taking loop. You need not to worry about taking loop, guys. There is no need of you taking loop. But what is thing we have to observe here is, okay, this size is having multiple IDs, but why it is giving one message? Why it is giving what? There is only one record. Yeah, it is deleting one by one. That's why one message has come. No, that's wrong now, boss. Okay, actually, in our IDs, listen, in our IDs, multiple items are there na. It has supposed to give those items. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll solve this problem in another way. Int count is equal to IDs. Int count is equal to arrays dot as list. Okay, what is that? IDs dot size. Cool. Okay, now here I will write count number of records are deleted. Check it out now. Okay, count number of records are deleted. So now I will give those numbers, guys. I will give those numbers which are there. Tell me here what are the numbers we are having. 22627. 2L26 I will pass. Okay, 2L26 I passed. Okay, cool. Control F11. Delete is happening, but it is giving me message. It is giving me message. One record deleted. It is giving me message. One record deleted. I'm just worried about that. I'm just worried about that. No, there is no need of saying count plus plus, guys. Wait. There's no need of saying count plus plus. Array, it's a count variable. I'm just trying to print it. Very interesting issue, guys. Very interesting issue. Anyone noticed that? Here I am taking size 9 normally, but it is printing 1. One number of records are deleted. It's very. No, I want to have a proper message, guys. Proper message I want to have. No, there is no need of saying count plus plus. Why should I say count plus plus? It's deleting. $34 Mahesh USA. Okay, something, some name. XYZ, price 567, number of doses are 2. Refresh. Number of doses are 2. 678, something, some country, something, number of, some price, and just say refresh. Okay, guys, what is that? 34,678 is there. 34,678. Sysout count. Sysout count. See, it's doing its work, but I want to print a message how many records are deleted. It's not like that our work is not done. Our work is done, we are able to understand its functionality. But why it is not returning? That's the question. Why it is not returning that one? Because this is a single statement now, boss. It's a single statement, right? Okay. Now let's have a look now, boss. Okay, count one. I am printing this one. Go to this. Where is the number? What are the numbers available? 678 and what are the numbers? 678 and 27. 678 and 27. Where is that? Okay, 678 L. Then 27 L. Okay. Control F11. What's happening, boss? What's happening? Two select queries, two delete queries. But we are getting one. We are getting one. We are getting one. We are getting one. No, my question is why one? Okay, that means problem is no, we cannot. No. I think 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll sort out the problem. I'll sort out the problem. Don't worry. Here, the problem with arrays.asList method. Problem is arrays.asList method. I'll do same thing with the typecasting. Wait. When problem occurred, we cannot live like this. Okay, guys. List. I think problem is arrays.asList. Okay, list.ids. List.ids. List of IDs dot length dot size. Sysout. Now we can understand problem is with whom. Otherwise, instead of sysout, let me say count. Yes. It's doing. Our job is done, but I just want to have a proper written message, guys. I hope you are understanding that point. Okay. I'm just typecasting with list dot size. But no problem is we don't have records. We don't have records. Yes, okay. 30, 345, some Covaxin, whatever it is. Some country, some name, something, some number of doses are to refresh. Number of doses are to next 560, 56. Some name. Okay, something. Don't worry about the data. Right. Say refresh. Okay, boss. Now what is this? 34, 56 both are there. 34, 56 both are there. Wait a minute. Yes, guys. Here we are having 34L and we are having 56L. Done, boss. Control F11. Yes. Problem is arrays.asList, boss. Problem is arrays.asList. Problem is not our execution. Problem is arrays.asList is treating entire list collection into one element only. Are you getting my point? That as list is very bad. Arrays.asList is treating entire list into one element only. Entire list into one element only. That's why that problem happened. Okay, guys. No, it's not a mutable, immutable kind of thing. Okay. Is that clear, guys? So just a simple typecasting, our problem got solved. Yes, be open to do this kind of analyzation, boss. Then only you will understand limitations with certain predefined methods. Limitations with what? Certain predefined methods. Okay, now listen. Now listen. Whatever we are doing, this is also bad. This logic also has to be changed, right? This logic also has to be changed. Are you understanding my point? Okay, both are giving same thing. That's why tension not there. But technically speaking, this is also bad. Come on, guys. I hope you realized that or not. If both sizes are there, okay, now count number of records are deleted. Otherwise, not deleted. Problem in deletion of records. Now you observe, now records gone. That's good. So final. So like conclusion points. Number one, Shabazz, if you want to have your own where class, we can have custom methods. We can have custom methods. You don't want like this. You want something like a where class, in class. You want to have now, we can have custom methods with custom queries. Don't worry. This is just predefined methods having predefined behavior. So we cannot change its behavior. We have to understand its behavior. Okay, what's the final conclusion, guys? Okay. Delete, what is that? What is the method? Delete all by ID does not generate single delete query having where class and in class conditions. It will generate multiple delete queries in a batch to delete the multiple records. Okay. In that process, if any given ID is not available, it throws exception. Are you understanding my point there? It throws exception. If all IDs are available, it sends multiple delete queries in a batch. Come on. Multiple delete queries in a batch. Multiple delete queries in a batch. And performs the deletion. And sir, what is the problem related to this count? That is only to print this message, guys. That is our arrays.asList method problem. That is nowhere related to this one. Okay. Ravi, you can use joins also, but you have to wait until I introduce custom methods. Code, example code. code in service class. Yeah, it's somewhat similar to save all method, guys. It's somewhat similar to save all method. Okay. Code in runner class. Code in runner class. Yeah, today I also realized as list is having some limitation. When you experiment, then only we will know, boss. Okay. Yes. Yeah. What are the statements I should give here? The important statement is repo dot delete all by ID. Delete all by ID. Delete all by ID. Method. Okay, guys. Delete all by ID method. Number one. Number one. Deletes multiple records based on given IDs if all IDs are present. If all IDs based records are present in DB table. Otherwise throws exception. Otherwise throws exception. Next. Does not generate single delete query. Okay, having conditions using where and in clauses. It actually generates what is this? Multiple delete queries taking ID value as the criteria value to delete multiple records by executing, come on guys, by executing delete queries in a batch. I hope all your questions are answered now, boss. Are you understanding my statement? All your questions are, Sashbhushan Ja, you need not to write the while loop. While loop will be written by internally. Sashbhushan, you need not to write the while loop. Delete all by ID internally take care of while loop. Okay, I'll show one last one, guys. You try this one on your own. Okay, you take this one. Delete all. Okay, delete all. Yeah, this is very easy one, guys. Delete all the records of the table. Deletes all the records of the DB table. Delete all the records of the DB table. Now tell me here, guys. Tell me. Public string. How to write the messages? That's important. Because return type is wide, but still I want to write the messages. Okay, remove vaccines. Remove all vaccines. Remove all actions. That's the challenge. Return type is wide. See, actually, I can demonstrate this one in a simple manner, like any other one. Okay, but what challenge I am taking, though return type is wide, I want to have a message. For that challenge, I am showing this much hangama. I hope you are observing the depthness I am trying to tell. Though return type is wide, I want to have a confirmation message. This delete method return type is wide, but still I want to have a confirmation message. Without confirmation message, if you delete, it's useless, right? I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to demonstrate in a depth manner. Remove all actions, guys. So here, okay, remove all actions. So take here also return type void, call the method over. But how to write a confirmation message? This is the headache we are having, right? Okay, boss. Now listen. How to confirm whether all records are deleted or not? Okay, sir, it is a bulk array. It's no condition. Since no condition, so definitely records will be deleted. Okay, what I do is, I will call find all method. Anyhow, you will get a positive number. So if that positive number is there as the size of the list collection, positive number is there, go for delete all. That's better, right? Empty table may be there. That time no records found to delete. Okay, guys. Now tell me here. Okay, we don't have records. We will do that. Now listen. First of all, iterable corona vaccine. Iterable corona vaccine. List entities is equal to corona report dot find all. Find all. If list entities dot size if list entities dot size tell me not equal to 0, not equal to 0. Are you listening my statement, guys? Not equal to 0. Super. Then what should I do? Corona report dot delete all. Corona report dot delete all. Corona report dot delete all. Okay, semicolon. Floor bracket open closing. Okay, one bracket less. I got it. Understanding my statement? Corona report dot delete. Now listen. Return corona report dot count. Corona report dot count. Number of records are deleted. Are you listening my statement, guys? Count. Number of records are deleted. Okay. Number of records are deleted. Okay. Now here, I'll give one bumper offer. You don't want to do this? Okay. Here you can directly go for count, guys. Here you can directly go for count. Into count is equal to corona report dot count. Yeah. If count, come on guys. If count not equal to 0, if count not equal to 0, that is giving me log, nothing else. Yeah, report or records are count. Next, return. Uh, table is empty. Table is empty to delete records. I hope you are understanding my logic behind it. My intention is all these methods are having what? All these methods are having what? Void as the return type, but still I want to have a confirmation message. You go and see in the internet, guys. They never worried about having a confirmation message. But the challenging what I have taken is I want to have a return message, though the return type is void. That's why I'm trying to show in multiple angles. Okay, guys. Got it? Count 0, delete all this one. Yes. Okay. Refresh. One record is there. Okay. To give the feeling to record bulk deletion now, boss. Done here. Copy this. Paste it. Tell me here, guys. Systrace. Come on. Service dot. Remove all actions. Service dot remove all actions. Okay, boss. Nice. Corona control F11. Control F11. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Yes. Acha. This problem I'll explain. This problem I'll explain. So we are putting that 0 after deletion. That is not going to work out. So this count we have to place. I think you understood the point, guys. That's not a big issue. Okay, count I have to place. Count I have to place here. Because after deletion, anyhow 0 will come now, boss. Okay, and moreover, again hitting database also not good. This count is good enough. This count is good enough. There is no node of writing corona report.count. Before changing logic, I kept it. Now I continued that one as it is. Now this is the correct way. You want to check that? Wait a minute. Refresh. We lost both the records. And moreover, why I'm wasting my time by filling up entire data? Remaining or not having any constraints now, boss. Remaining all not having any constraints. Empty also fine, right? Okay. Now listen carefully. Control F11. Control F11. Table is empty, records not found. Maybe I have not confirmed. Yes, these are uncommitted records, guys. Everything is a learning experience. These are uncommitted records. Why it is not committing? Oh, unique constraint violated. Which is having unique constraint, guys? Second column is having into constraints. Oh, this one. This one. 11. Okay, got it. Now confirm. Not a issue. Control F11. Control F11. 3 number of records are deleted. See, it is not executing delete query. It is not executing delete query. It is deleting each record one by one. Check it out. First, it is getting all ID values. By writing a big condition. First, it is getting only ID values. Did you notice this? Okay. Then passing them as ID values and executing multiple time delete query. Again, it is also doing batch processing or not, guys? Okay. What is the statement I should give? First gets all the records of table. All the records of the DB table. And it takes all the records of DB table by executing select SQL query. Select query. Select query. Come on. If table is empty, I can return 0 now, boss. I can say table is empty. What is there in that? There's no need of throwing exception, right? Select query and it takes their ID values as criteria values to execute multiple delete queries. This is very important. It is not generating single delete query with conditions. Multiple delete queries. Okay, in a batch. In a batch. Yes. That means it is not just executing, come on, single delete query with condition, without single delete query without condition. Yeah. Tell me, guys. It is Spring Data JPA method. Spring Data JPA direct method, guys. Spring Data JPA direct method. Cool, guys. Now tell me example code. In service IMPL class. In service IMPL class. In service IMPL class. This is the service IM. See, guys, like internet content, I can make things simple, boss. But I want to have a confirmation messages, whether deleted or not. For that one, I have given this depth knowledge. I hope you realized that. Okay, in runner class. Everyone realized that one or not? I'm not just worried about deleting. I'm worried about writing confirmation messages. After joining company in multiple cases, not just deletion is not okay. We should have a confirmation, because based on that confirmation, some other activities will be taken, right? Okay. Thank you, guys. With this, crude repository is completed. Okay. Tomorrow onwards, I will be talking about paging and sorting repository, guys. That is very, very interesting. Don't miss the classes. Okay. Ravi not required. Right. Thank you, guys.